Sharad Pawar made that comment regarding Kangana Ranaut. In the evening, yesterday we saw that Sharad Pawar did meet Uddhav Thackeray, and meeting lasted almost for more than 1 hour. So in this meeting, what exactly happened? There are speculation that Sharad Pawar basically did discuss the Kangana Ranaut issue because he made two comments. One, the first comment was that where he questioned the timing of the BMC, and he said that the illegal constructions are not new in Mumbai, but the timing is important about that. But second comment which he made, that if the BMC had taken some kind of action, then it means that they have some evidences or their action is legal, and that's why they have taken this action. So these two comments come from Sharad Pawar, which basically we can say that there was speculation that it had not gone down well with the Shiv Sena and Uddhav Thackeray, and regarding that Sharad Pawar met Uddhav Thackeray last evening. But apart from Kangana Ranaut issue, there were several important issues which Sharad Pawar discussed in that meeting, and Uddhav Thackeray, both of them discussed. The important issue was of Maratha reservation, because yesterday we saw that the Supreme Court basically referred this particular case, referred this particular issue to the larger bench, which is a constitutional bench. And now, and also they have given in their order, they have mentioned that in Maharashtra, Maratha quota cannot be used or cannot be applied in the education and for the job. So certainly it's a very setback. It's a big setback for Maharashtra government, who was batting for the Maratha quota, but now government has the Supreme Court has given this verdict. That's why they have to obey it, and Supreme Court has basically transferred this case to the larger bench. So that issue got discussed. There's another issue which Pawar and Uddhav Thackeray discussed. It was basically about the development of works in Marathwada. Sharad Pawar was holding meetings in last week with his MPs, MLAs and ministers, and the feedback which he got, that lot of MLAs had approached to CMO for help to carry out the developmental work in Marathwada, but it was not happening. They were not getting, or you can say their files were not getting cleared as soon as possible, and that's why they had requested their party chief Sharad Pawar to speak with CM Uddhav Thackeray, so that the development work will start taking place or get approval for the Marathwada region. So that's another point which Sharad Pawar did discuss with Uddhav Thackeray, and yes, Uddhav Thackeray, we have been given to understand, has agreed to cooperate with all these MLAs, MPs and ministers. Another point which got discussed was about IPS and IS officers transfers. Earlier we saw the IPS officers transferred, first Anil Deshmukh, who's the Home Minister, who made it. Then Uddhav Thackeray halted all the transfers, and again the transfers got made. But this time both, or we can say the three parties, they did discuss these transfers, and after that we saw that final order came. But everyone was expecting that even Mumbai CP will get transferred after Sushant Singh issue or the Sushant Singh case, but it didn't happen. But we have been given to understand that Uddhav Thackeray and Sharad Pawar did discuss these IPS and IS transfer issue also, because after Ajay Mehta was given, we can say he was appointed as a chief advisor to the CM. Bureaucracy was really not happy. But yes, in yesterday's meeting, these IPS and IS officers transfers were also got discussed. But what is important is that last evening, Bhagat Singh Koshyari basically called, or we can say Bhagat Singh Koshyari basically asked Ajay Mehta to meet him, and there are rumors, or we can say there are news that Bhagat Singh Koshyari basically expresses his anger, expresses his displeasure about the Kangana Ranaut issue. But that needs to be seen, that how CM reacts to it. But so far, as of now, Maharashtra CM has not reacted on this particular issue. With camera person Rajesh Khade, Mayuresh Ganpati from Mirror Now.